The conjoint analysis study, a little more complicated than some of the other ones, but basically it allows you to look at the relative performance of different attributes. Okay, um, so uh, big limitation is it doesn't give you all attributes, but it gives you four: design, display, processing power, and price. And so basically, it's a utility chart. So all values are between 0 and 1. 1 would be it's absolutely super valuable. 0 means it holds no value at all. Okay, so just think of the numbers in relative terms, not in absolute terms. But for design, if you have a design index of 7, your utility is 0.4. If the design index is 8, the utility goes up to 4.6. If the design index is 9, it stays the same as 8. 10 also stays the same as 8. As you increase your design index, the cost of your product goes up. So basically this is telling you that if you increase the design index past 8, you're going to end up with unnecessary costs for something that consumers don't want. Okay, display size, as the size of the display gets beyond 28 inches or 28 centimeters, whatever it is, that starts to go down. Processing power, 51 is good, 67 is great. You get past 67, you start to lose utility. Price, again, 281 is fine. 360 is kind of the ideal price for this segment. These are the professionals. They see higher price meaning higher quality, so they prefer a higher price. But know that once you get past 360, utility starts to drop off dramatically. Okay, so if you are trying to figure out how to figure out the attribute levels for your products, I'm sorry, for an R&D project, this information will help you greatly. Okay, one bit of warning though is this is basically like a survey. So they ask people, what do you think about, a price of 281? What do you think about a price of 360? What do you think about this price and that price? It doesn't, they can't ask every single dollar value from 281 to 518. So the true max utility could be somewhere between 360 and 439, but the limitation of this is they didn't ask them like say of 380 and 390 and 410 and 420, so you don't exactly know, but it does get you kind of in the ballpark. Okay, so probably not a report you want to use early, but maybe later on as you get more savvy with this and you've got money in your budget, you may want to order this because it could come in handy.